I'm gonna have Stephanie make me mini beers with this and heavy cream.
Okay.
Ooh, that is sweet. Whoever sent this to us, this is sweet.
Oh. I might have a little sip of this.
So, you're gonna take a shot glass. Doesn't matter what size shot glass. This is a 2 1/4 ounce shot glass. You're gonna fill this about 2/3 of the way with that, and then the last third with the heavy cream.
Okay, sounds good. It's thick. Oh, it doesn't smell quite so sweet once it's in the glass.
Let's see. Ooh. I don't know, babe. I'm excited about that.
Smells like liquor.
That's a lot of cream. That's what she
Get
said.
on top.
So,
Cream.
3. You drank all the cream. You drank all the cream.
Yeah, try that.
Liquor 43, heavy cream. Get your own. Doesn't taste like a beer.
No,
It does not taste like a beer. Ooh.
not at all.
Wow, what the blast of blue.
He didn't, of course he didn't like it. Do you know why I didn't like it? Because I liked it. He didn't like it.
The cream isn't bad, but man, that other stuff, not great.
Because that's what I tasted too. It's vanilla ice cream. How do you not like that?